Your personal profile is your unique identifier for EventPlus's online world of services. Keeping this profile up to date and accurate helps you request products and services faster and more efficiently. So, here's how to update or edit your profile. Once you're logged into your exhibition website's homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen for Account. On clicking that, you'll be taken to your profile where you can start entering and editing information. On the left of the screen, you'll see tabs that help you navigate from your personal profile to your company profile, your stands, and even your previous orders with us. My Stands area gives you an overview of the stands registered to your account. You can change details by choosing to edit or add a brand new stand by selecting that option from near the top right of the page. My Orders area gives you your order history. You can browse your previous orders and even choose to repeat them by clicking the Reorder button on the top right. It's a simple and fast way of reordering. But remember that your cart will clear itself of any previous items, so make sure there's nothing there that you want to check out. And that's it. You now have an updated profile that helps you get the most out of EventPlus's online services.